In San Francisco, there is no storm. They're discussing a number of promising treatments, though, for some of the world's most devastating diseases. Onyx CEO Anthony Coles is just one of the executives out there now who's hoping for approval of his company's wonder drug, and Shannon Pettypiece is standing by with him. Shannon?
Yeah, hi, Matt. Well, many companies wish they were in the position that Onyx is in. As far as biotech companies go, few get a product to market, and Onyx has one, a quite successful one. Now it's up to the company to try and drive growth, and I was able to grab the CEO here, Tony Coles, for a few minutes. And Tony, tell me, going forward, what does Onyx need to do next? What's the next phase for this company?
Well, the opportunities that lie ahead in 2011 are really very exciting. First of all, with the one product we have on the market, Nexavar, for liver and kidney cancer, we've got new opportunities outside of the United States. We've just received reimbursement approval in South Korea and are expecting important things to happen in that market. So it should be a good year for patients as well as for the company. We've got 7 phase 3 trials underway for Nexavar: lung cancer, breast cancer, thyroid cancer, and the opportunities are enormous because all of these cancers still have important unmet needs. And probably most importantly, our latest product offering for multiple myeloma, a very deadly blood cancer where we've been studying it and hope to file the new drug application with the FDA as early as the middle of this year.
So then how soon could patients see your new multiple myeloma treatment?
Carfilzomib is the product, and we would expect that if we can submit it this year and the agency approves it, probably as early as the first half of 2012, so not that far away.
Now that's a space, though, this form of blood cancer, where you've already got some competitors. How are you guys trying to distinguish yourself, set yourself apart, and most importantly, convince insurers to pay for it? Well,
very interestingly, we've studied this drug in a variety of patients with multiple myeloma, this blood cancer, from the most advanced type of multiple myeloma to the newly diagnosed. And very interestingly, in that sickest population, the most advanced, the natural history with the currently available therapies, the response rate's only about 11%. Well, carfilzomib has more than double that, 24% overall response rate. These patients are also only living about 6 months with the currently available therapies. And we've actually, again, more than doubled that to 15 and a half months, which is quite remarkable. So we're looking there and in the newly diagnosed, where 100% of the patients we've studied have a response, and that's remarkable.
Now, you're in a hot area of cancer. Every major drug maker is talking about wanting to do deals in cancer, wanting more cancer drugs in their pipeline. What's in store for you when it comes to business development? Do you think your people have their sights set on you? Do you have your sights set on some other companies?
Well, we've been successful by taking our time and surveying the landscape and finding the highest quality assets where the unmet need's the greatest in cancer. And we'll keep doing that. We've got lots of opportunities in this space, but right now we've got our hands full with getting this new drug application filed for carfilzomib. We'll continue to do business development, look for interesting new opportunities, and that way build multiple streams of revenue for the company going forward.
And you see this company as continuing to be sort of one of these mid-sized pharma players going forward in the future? That's sort of how you see the company evolving?
I think for the next couple of years, but with success from carfilzomib and the important change it will mean for patients, we see an opportunity to grow the revenue above what we've done with Nexavar, and with new indication opportunities for Nexavar, we're really setting ourselves up for that next stage of growth. So it's exciting.
It definitely sounds like something to watch for. You know this space very well. You're actually cardiology by training. I'm interested, what are some of the technologies that you see way out on the horizon, maybe a decade from now, that you think people are going to be talking about? Just maybe one that everyone should have their eyes on.
Well, I'd probably give you 2 really quickly. Biomarkers, a lot of people talk about, but I think this notion of personalized medicine and really understanding which drugs and therapies are best for you as an individual, and non-invasive technologies, surgical non-invasive technologies where you can actually increase the recovery time.
Well, thank you so much, Tony. That's all the time we have now.